Hello everyone, welcome back to our handmade paper series. Today we'll make some interesting crafts using handmade papers. We are going to use the handmade paper we made ourselves. If you haven't watched it, you can go back and watch it now and make your own handmade paper for today's artwork. To begin with, I'm going to make an abstract design on the handmade paper using a black pen. Draw some flowers and add some wavy lines in different sizes to create dimensions. Add details to the flowers like this. Use some gold paint to add brightness to the background and help the painting pop. Isn't it pretty? Next, I'm going to make a card. For this, tear a piece of paper in a rectangular shape out of the handmade paper. Take a glass of water and dye it with photography ink. Add a few drops of ink in it. Now take the card and dip it in the cup, soaking one end of the paper in the color. Remove the paper and you will see a dip dyed effect. I'm adding some golden foil to the edges. Apply some Fevicol to it and then apply the flakes over it with the help of a brush. Now we can add the text with calligraphy pen over it. There you have it, your card is ready. Next, I'm going to make a bookmark. Begin by applying clean water all over the paper. Now apply color over it in big strokes. Now, you can add a floral design over it with black pen. Add more details to it to decorate. Now paste it on a black sheet and tie a ribbon at one end. Your beautiful bookmark is done. For the next DIY craft, we'll make an art journal. For this, take your sheets of handmade paper, cut all the sheets on one end like this. Use clips to hold the pages at place. Draw a line parallel to the edge at a distance of 2 cm. Now mark points at a distance of 1 inch. And pierce holes in it. Make them large enough to insert a thread and needle easily. To measure the thread, wrap it around the paper 3 to 4 times. Now take a portion to the pages and start from the bottom on the second hole. Leave about 4 to 5 inches on the end, tuck it between so it's going towards another end of the book. Wrap around to the bottom of the book and back through like this. Then to the second hole. Wrap around and back through. Now weave through the rest of the holes to the other end. Back to the second hole you started from. Now, using the needle and the thread at the end, tie a knot. Make sure the binding isn't too loose. Cut the ends off. Your art journal is done. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to KNMA for more exciting content.